YouTube ads for high conversions. Before we start, let's take a look at the breakdown of what you will be learning. In this video module, I'll explain what is YouTube ads, how it increases conversions, and I'll teach you how to use it step by step. So what is YouTube ads? YouTube is a social media platform that has become highly effective revenue for reaching massive audiences through online advertising. How so? It has over 1 billion users, and people are watching 50% more video on the platform year over year. For online marketers and business owners, this is a huge opportunity to get in front of a large audience, a targeted audience, and expand the business branding to convert sales. YouTube ads allow you to run paid ads on someone else's videos, as well as getting paid to let others run their ads on your videos. So how does it increase conversions? YouTube ads can be used to increase your brand and product visibility, and this in turn translates into potential sales and revenue. Let's say that there's a highly anticipated video or a viral video that people are bound to watch, and because you are running paid ads, your advert appears before the video, and viewers who choose to watch it get to know more about your product, brand, or offering. And interested consumers will then click to know more and purchase your product or service. YouTube ads enables two choices: to run your ads on others' videos or to let others run their ads on your videos. By running your ads on others' videos, you'll be gaining brand and product visibility, as your ads will reach a larger bunch of audience and increase awareness towards your business. On the other hand, letting others run their ads on your videos allows you to generate revenue as you're getting paid for the view count. The more audience that watches your videos, the more they get exposed to ads, and thus the more you'll get paid because your video has helped generate brand awareness for others. Both ways work to increase your conversion rates, as monetization with YouTube ads generally involves maximum audience engagement. By increasing your brand awareness and reaching out to large targeted audiences, you're boosting your percentage of conversions as well. Before we move on to learn how to use YouTube ads, let's take a look at the types of ads available for your preference or selection that best suit your business. There are two types of ads on YouTube: the display ads and the video ads. Display ads on YouTube allow you to place your ads in videos where they'll appear alongside related YouTube videos or as pop-ups within YouTube videos. Below are the types of display ads that YouTube offers. Standard banner ad is similar to Google Display Ads, where it's available as a standard banner or rich media ad. Use bright and colorful images to grab your audience's attention and interest. In-video overlay ads are ads that appear as pop-ups with existing contextually targeted videos that are targeted by selected queries. URL inserted to the context can be clicked on, and users will be directed to destinations outside of YouTube. As for video ads on YouTube, here are the types of ads offered. In-stream video ads are ads that pop out when you're watching your YouTube videos. In-slate video ads are ads that play before your video starts. In-search video ads are ads that appear above or to the right of regular YouTube search results. In-display video ads are ads that appear alongside other YouTube videos. Now let me guide you through the steps to create an ad that will be shown on other users' content. Go to YouTube's advertising pages and click Get Started. Now you're ready to launch your campaign. The first step is to select which video you want to promote. Just find the video that you want to advertise, then copy and paste the video URL in this box. After you've selected your video, there will be a preview like this, so you can see how it will appear to other people who are watching it on YouTube after browsing the internet or finding it via YouTube search. Next, you need to enter the information for your text ad. Ad text includes the headline and 2 lines of description of how you would like to tell people what your ad is about. The ad text and descriptions are extremely important when you want to grab a customer's attention. Be short and straight to the point. You'd want to key in punchlines that will increase engagement or click-through rates. Then choose a thumbnail you'd like to display to your audience. Then specify where you want to send your traffic when users click on the video or ad. You can decide if you want users who click on your ad to be sent to your YouTube channel or to your website. Next, you need to decide how much to spend and set your budget. You can opt for a daily budget and set a specific amount. Then choose a maximum click per view so you're not spending more, including more per view, than you want to. Next, you can choose a target audience if you want your ad to be displayed to specific targeted audiences. As you can see, the targeting criteria includes age, gender, web activity, and user interests. As you create your YouTube ad, you can find a small tab on the right side of your page. This is where you can see approximately how many video views that the budget you set will bring to you. And finally, now sign into your Google account and enter your billing information to pay for the ads. Then review your ads and submit them for approval. And you're done. You've now created your own YouTube ads. This is the end of the YouTube for Business course. I wish you all the best in bringing your business to a higher level with YouTube. Hello and welcome back to the video course. In this video, you'll learn how to make viral videos for ultimate branding for your business YouTube channel. Before we start, let's take a look at the breakdown of what you'll be learning. In this video course, I'll explain how YouTube's viewership is influenced by viral videos. You'll learn what kind of video content will make your video go viral. I'll also be providing you a couple of great strategies you can use to create your very own viral video to achieve massive branding for your business. YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet. Nearly 1 out of every 2 internet users are on YouTube. According to YouTube statistics, 6 billion hours of video are viewed every month. And they recorded a 50% increase in just 1 year. This shows that YouTube's viewership covers a really huge scale of people on the internet. And how does that happen? Through viral video viewing on YouTube. 60 hours of video are uploaded every minute, or 1 hour of video is uploaded to YouTube every second. Over 4 billion videos are viewed a day. Viral video is what boosts YouTube's viewership every single day. So how do you determine if a video is viral? Why do some videos become wildly popular while others don't? Kevin Ayoka, YouTube's head of trends and culture, gave a talk on TED Youth on how videos go viral on YouTube. In this talk, he highlighted 3 things that make a YouTube video go viral. The first factor Ayoka mentioned was the tastemakers. What's a tastemaker? A tastemaker is someone famous that makes something unnoticed become famous also. Take this example. Rebecca Black's Friday became one of the most popular videos because Michael J. Nelson from Mystery Science Theater posted a joke about this video on his Twitter. Then a lot of people started talking about it everywhere on the internet. This sort of snowball effect, whereby a famous person shares a point of view and followers continue to share it with an even larger and extended bunch of audience, greatly accelerates the process of a video becoming viral on YouTube. Next, Ayoka mentioned about the common content of viral videos. It's the unexpectedness factor. Viewers tend to be more attracted to unexpected content within a video as they find it interesting and intriguing. Viral videos like Rebecca Black's Friday and Nyan Cat with repetitive melody and motion, or even the Gangnam Style video by Korean pop star Psy. What scripts could you have written that would have contained anything related to these videos in it? YouTube is a platform where 1 hour of video is uploaded every second, and viral videos have one thing in common, which is video content has to be unique and unexpected in order to stand out among other videos on YouTube. Then Ayoka pointed out the most powerful factor of all, which is the participation from people all over the internet. What he meant by participation is the phenomenon where a certain topic or issue that just somehow is able to get everyone involved. Taking Rebecca Black's Friday as an example again, there's a crazy amount of more than 10,000 parodies of Friday on YouTube now. It's created a phenomenon where people all over the internet participated in the issue, which in this case is typically humor and joke. This is how community participation makes a video viral. because of the widespread involvement that gets more and more people to notice the existence of the original video and therefore give it more traffic and views. So according to Kevin Ioka, tastemakers, creative participating communities, complete unexpectedness, these are characteristics of a new kind of media and a new kind of culture where anyone has access and the audience defines the popularity and would drive a video viral on YouTube. Now, I'll also be giving you 3 great strategies you can use to create your very own viral video to achieve branding, leads, and sales for your business. The first strategy is to jump on the bandwagon. This means connecting your video to another video that is already viral on YouTube. Have you ever noticed how after you've seen one video go viral, you'll see dozens of mashups, remixes, and parodies jumping on the bandwagon? It's a norm where people tend to like watching videos that reference things they remember seeing before. It's this sense of participation and involvement that attracted them to watch the video in the first place. How so? Because it simply gives them the feeling that they are in on the joke. That makes them more likely to look kindly on your video and pass it along to their friends. More than 2,000 parodies of Gangnam Style videos were uploaded to YouTube at one point in just 2 weeks of the original video's highest peak of popularity. Some other examples of viral videos are Rebecca Black's Friday and Nyan Cat. So what you can do is when you're going to make a viral video, think about the contents of other recent viral videos and how you can take advantage of their popularity. For example, you can do reaction videos, parodies, reenactments, or other related video content. Viewership on YouTube in the past few years has shown that videos of shorter length generally get more views than longer length videos. This is because humans' attention span on a video is said to be shorter than a goldfish's attention span. The New York Times cited a study on viewer abandonment, in which nearly a fifth of viewers clicked out of a video in the first 10 seconds. This became more pronounced with videos that were slow to reach the punchline, causing the rate of viewers to click out to double. So making your video short is a crucial optimization method. Keep your content short. Focus on images and craft headlines that say it all. Rich media like GIFs that play on a continuous loop can capture attention effectively without the viewer deeming it taking too much time. So try to include more details in short-length videos. Short length is always good for getting more views and conversions. Some examples of short, informative videos that are usually viral are videos of life hacks, brilliant ideas, and unexpected, useful information. And the third strategy is to go all out on promoting your video. The fastest and most direct way to do this is to connect with other social media platforms. You need rapid distribution to a large group of people very quickly to be able to have something go viral. So you have to make it as easy as possible for people to share your video. You should post your video on YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Dig, Tumblr, Reddit, and anywhere else that people are likely to find it and share it. The idea is to spread and promote your video to anyone, anywhere possible. The most popular viral videos didn't become viral by accident. There are companies who spend huge amounts of money to create a viral video that are also spending thousands of dollars, quote, secretly promoting it. They would use multiple YouTube accounts, form sock puppets, and other clandestine methods. Since assuming that you may not have the same resources, what you can do is use what you do have. Send to your friends, relatives, and colleagues who you think would appreciate it and ask them to pass it along. It's by word of mouth and the snowball phenomenon that a video will go viral. So we've come to the end of this module on how to make your video go viral for ultimate business branding through YouTube. Join me in the next one where you'll learn more about YouTube for your business channel.
If your business is not on social media yet, then I hate to break it to you, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. How much exactly? Well, check this out. As of the time of this video, there are more than 3.4 billion internet users worldwide. 2.3 billion of them are on social media. That's nearly every 7 in 10 people. And in 2016, Facebook has 1.59 billion users, Instagram has 400 million users, Pinterest has 100 million users. Now, you're probably thinking, Hey, if I could have done it, I would have already done it, right? And what's wrong with email and other forms of old school marketing? Well, according to Hootsuite, social media advertising budgets doubled worldwide over the last 2 years, going from $16 billion in 2014 to a whopping $31 billion in 2016. Social media spending in the US alone is expected to increase to $17.34 billion in 2019. In 2016, Facebook brought in $6.8 billion in advertising revenue, up from $4.3 billion the year before. In the same year, Instagram brought in $1.53 billion in mobile ad revenue. The number of YouTube channels earning six figures per year is up 50% year over year. Hard not to see where this is going. Now, if you're having a tough time finding new customers, or keeping your current database of buyers engaged and interested, or standing out from the rest of your competitors and other Me Too marketers, then this might just be the missing puzzle piece. And what if I tell you it doesn't always have to be like this? Until now, that is, because I'm about to show you how you can instantly modernize your business and give it the presence it deserves. While most people casually use social media for rewardless debates and spending idle time, I'm going to show you how to turn your social media accounts into an instant ATM. And even if you don't have a business yet, that's okay, because this is a business in itself. With your permission, I'd like to introduce Social Media Income. Social Media Income is a huge 36-part course on how you, or anyone, can use some of the most popular social media platforms to grow your business, build a brand, generate leads, and get sales. This isn't some theoretical stuff. It's backed by tens of thousands of dollars and countless hours spent cracking the code. And unlike most courses out there that cover just one method or one social media platform, this mega training program covers 5: Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. Here's what you'll learn. How to utilize Facebook Live as a sales funnel. How to reach a targeted audience by optimizing YouTube SEO. How to customize LinkedIn messages to expand your network. How to hold Instagram contests to gain fame and exposure. How to gain more views with Pinterest Rich Pin. And much more waiting to be discovered inside. For many reasons, social media income stands on its own merits. And I know of social media gurus charging prices like $2,000 and above for their programs. But I have no intention of charging anything exorbitant today. In fact, I want to make this as affordable as possible so everyone can discover the mastery of social media. Personally, I think it's a shame that we are surrounded by an abundance of opportunities, which is growing day by day, but they remain undertapped or underutilized. And I hope this will change the way you do business. Act now. Click on the order button below to get instant online access. If you are still thinking about it, look, just maybe will do. You see, social media income is backed by my 100% satisfaction guarantee, or it's your money back for the next 30 days. Just give it a go, and I'll let the quality of the training speak for itself. However, if for any reason at all you are not satisfied with it, simply return within 30 days for a full refund. You have nothing to lose, unless you don't care about growing your business, which you'd be out of your mind. So what are you waiting for? Click on the order button now and get instant access risk-free.